we got a media advisory for the filing of an ethics complaint against you this afternoon. I know it hasn't been filed, but they've already announced to the media their intention to file. So what do you make of this ethics complaint that is going to be filed by the group of Attorney Ferdinand Topacio?
Recycled lies, harassment, ano pa nga ba? Ako naman ay buong loob kong haharapin yung complaint nila once na mabasa ko.
Ma'am, sino sa tingin mo nasa likod nila? Initiative nila yon o may tao behind them?
Ano ba yung track record nila? Laging may nasa likod din.
So you're not bothered?
Bothered in the sense na ang dami-naming trabahong ginagawa dito sa Senate. May mga drama pa dyan, pero sige lang, di po kami magpapadistract dyan. Basta't pagka-file nila, babasahin namin ang complaint at haharapin namin ang buong buo.